Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can change audio type. So at the first you have to go for the right side to the settings. Next, when you are here, we have to simply scroll down to the TV, and right now let's go below for the audio. When we are here, we can easily change audio type between normal, audio description, or spoken subtitles, for example. Let's pick this one, and after that we can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.